Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes mobile hotspot not working fix in Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Ethernet Adapter Properties, click Sharing tab, uncheck Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system. Click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click and expand WLAN SVC, click and expand parameters, click and expand hosted network settings. Delete hosted network settings. After delete, close and exit Registry editor. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Turn on Wi-Fi, also connect Ethernet. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.